Why do I own Tilray Brands stock? That is what we will discuss in this video. Tilray Brands is a global cannabis lifestyle and consumer packaged goods company based in the United States, with its headquarters in New York City. Tilray has operations in Canada, the United States, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and Latin America. It is involved in the research, cultivation, processing, and distribution of medical cannabis products. The company also has growing facilities in Germany and Portugal. Tilray has a leading market share in both Canada and Germany. Tilray operates through several segments, including cannabis, distribution, beverage alcohol, and wellness. The cannabis segment covers both medical and adult use cannabis products. The beverage alcohol segment involves the production and sale of craft beers, spirits, and other beverages. The wellness segment includes hemp-based food products and cannabinoid-infused beverages. A significant move was the merger with Aphria in December 2020, under which the combined company continued to operate under the Tilray name. Tilray also acquired Hexo in June of 2023, which included Redecan, one of Canada's top brands. Redecan was a private company and one of the only profitable licensed producers before being acquired by Hexo. Additionally, Tilray expanded into the U.S. craft beer market by acquiring 8 beer and beverage brands from Anheuser-Busch for $85 million in August 2023. With these acquisitions, Tilray has positioned itself as the 5th largest craft beer company in the U.S. and has a broad portfolio that spans from cannabis to craft beverages. Tilray Brands is listed on both the NASDAQ and the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TLRY. Recent financial reports show that Tilray aims to focus on growth in both cannabis and beverage sectors, with plans to streamline its product offerings by reducing less profitable SKUs while introducing new products that align with consumer demand. Tilray Brands has been a significant player in the cannabis industry, known for pioneering in medical cannabis research and expanding into various consumer packaged goods to diversify its business model. Tilray was originally founded by Brendan Kennedy, Michael Blue, and Christian Grow under the umbrella of Privateer Holdings. Connection to venture capitalist Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal, Palantir, Founders Fund, and first outside investor in Facebook. Peter Thiel's connection to Tilray comes through his venture capital firm, Founders Fund. In 2014, Founders Fund became the first institutional investor in the cannabis industry when it invested in Privateer Holdings, which at that time was Tilray's parent company. Privateer Holdings was established in 2011 by Brendan Kennedy, Michael Blue, and Christian Grow to invest in the cannabis industry. With the investment from Thiel's Founders Fund, Privateer was able to expand its operations, including the development and growth of Tilray, which became one of its key portfolio companies. Tilray went public in July 2018, and at that time, Privateer Holdings held a significant stake in Tilray, around 75 million shares, or approximately 77% of the company's outstanding shares. This stake significantly increased in value as Tilray's stock price surged, directly benefiting Thiel and other investors in Privateer. In June 2019, Tilray announced a merger with Privateer Holdings, giving Tilray control over how and when those shares would be released to the market, further intertwining Thiel's financial interests with Tilray's performance. Irwin D. Simon, current CEO of Tilray, founded the Hain Celestial Group in 1993, turning it into a global leader in natural and organic foods. He later became CEO of Tilray, one of the largest cannabis companies, after leading Act II Global Acquisition Corp. His career is marked by strategic acquisitions, navigating corporate challenges, and philanthropy, notably through significant donations to educational institutions like Tulane University. Simon's business acumen spans from food to cannabis, leveraging emerging market trends. Several politicians have also bought Tilray stock, reflecting a broader trend of members of Congress engaging in stock trading. John Yarmuth and Brian Mast have both made significant purchases of Tilray stock. Both are members of the House Budget Committee, which can influence legislation related to cannabis, given the committee's role in setting fiscal policy and funding. Their investments were reported around November 5, 2020, with amounts ranging from $15,000 to $50,000. Marjorie Taylor Greene has disclosed investments in Tilray, with her purchase falling within the range of $1,001 to $15,000. This was noted in discussions around cannabis legislation, although specific dates for her transaction were not provided in the available information. There is also a connection between the board of directors of Tilray and Anheuser-Busch maker of Budweiser beer. Brendan Kennedy, who was the CEO of Tilray before its merger with Afria, joined the board of directors of the merged entity. Prior to this, in 2018, Tilray had entered into a $100 million joint venture with Anheuser-Busch InBev to research non-alcoholic cannabis-infused beverages through their respective subsidiaries. There are also significant catalysts on the horizon that will benefit Tilray stock. These catalysts include, but are not limited to, EU legalization, Czech Republic legalization, starting in second half of 2025. Slovenia voted to legalize cannabis on June 9, 2024, and Denmark announced their trial program is being permanently legalized, which will provide Tilray with opportunities for growth. Tilray Medical launched Redecan cannabis brand in Australia on September 18, 2024. Tilray received first new cannabis cultivation license in Germany under new regulations. Tilray still owns the IP for MedMen and will look to build out MedMen 3.0 across the U.S. Tilray recently announced the appointment of Stephen M. Cohen to its board of directors. Cohen's extensive background includes serving as interim CEO of AYR Wellness Inc. since September 2024 and as an adjunct professor at New York Law School. His previous roles encompass Chief Administrative Officer and General Counsel at McAndrews and Forbes Incorporated and board positions at Whole Earth Brands and other prominent organizations. Tilray Medical won the tender to supply Luxembourg with medical cannabis, further strengthening its global leadership position. Tilray stock is a Wall Street and retail favorite with billions of dollars in daily volume traded. Tilray insiders have also been buying Tilray stock near all-time lows. Tilray Irwin Simon mentioned he has never sold a share as part of his compensation as CEO. DoorDash announced they are expanding offerings to include hemp-derived products in select states. Tilray currently ships hemp drinks to adults 21+ years of age to Ohio, Tennessee, Indiana, Oklahoma, Alabama, Texas, Georgia, Minnesota, New Jersey, Florida, and South Carolina. Tilray's HDD 9 brands include 420, Fizz, Herb and Bloom, Fizzy Janes, and Happy Flower. Tilray's CEO recently said that if they could sell cannabis beverages in the U.S., this would be a billion-dollar business. The beverage format will become very prominent in the events, concerts, and restaurant industries in the years to come. Tilray also has great adjacencies through its Sweetwater 420 brand, Highball Energy, and more. These brands can later be infused with cannabis once federally permissible. Craft beer is a major focus for Tilray, and this category is on the up and up. Tilray confirmed that they are also not affected by potential tariffs in the USA with beer made in the USA. Excise tax reform in Canada is another major catalyst that could benefit Tilray and add hundreds of millions to the bottom line if excise tax shifts favorably from a flat rate to a % fee. Advertising is still not permitted in Canada as well. Imagine the day when cannabis commercials are introduced at the Super Bowl. Tilray continues to be a preferred partner for licensing agreements and partnerships. An example of this is Jones Soda and Tilray partnering to bring Mary Jones cannabis drinks to Canada. Jones Soda could even be a potential acquisition target in our opinion. Tilray CEO commented that rescheduling in the USA could be a $100 million medical opportunity. Tilray management said stay tuned for exciting new innovations in the cannabis and wellness segments. In summary, Tilray continues to increase revenue projected at $1 billion for 2025. They continue to pay down debt, operations in over 20 countries, 700+ distributors, and over 20 beverage manufacturing facilities across the U.S. Manitoba Harvest significantly expanded Tilray's market presence in the U.S. and Canada. Their products are sold in approximately 16,000 retail locations, providing Tilray with an established distribution network for hemp-based foods. This network is crucial for Tilray's entry into the U.S. market with hemp and CBD products. CC Pharma provides Tilray with significant market access in Germany and other European countries. It's one of the largest pharmaceutical distributors in Germany, which is the largest medical cannabis market in Europe. This acquisition helps Tilray in distributing medical cannabis products efficiently across Europe. CC Pharma has a sales network that includes over 13,000 pharmacies in Germany. The non-alcoholic segment, waters and energy drink segments, should also provide a meaningful boost to Tilray's future revenue, as we believe these segments are massively underrated. As you can see, Tilray is becoming a global powerhouse, standing out from the pack. Their diversification, global presence, market leadership, and improving financial performance are major reasons to consider owning the stock. As always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and information purposes only. Why do you own Tilray Brands stock?